everyone, today we have another snack crate and this one is from Sweden and Amanda's going to show you the box. There, this is a snack crate. I do want to show your address on the internet. Now you can hold it up. This is the Sweden box. Woohoo! And now I haven't been to Sweden. Have you?
No, I have not been to Sweden.
But my grandfather was from there.
I got a little sticker this time. Woohoo, I got a sticker.
That's what you've always wanted.
That's exactly what I want. And then you get a little flag on it again.
I like seeing the different flags, you know what I mean?
Okay, there's some chips. I like chips.
These are called OLW.
Grill.
What does OLW mean?
Doesn't say. Hella, Spurgees, Freddy Gisney's favorite jerk.
Okay, so these might be in a different language. Probably Swedish. That would make sense.
I mean, why not? Everything's in Swedish on that.
These are grill flavored chips and svensk patatas. Okay, I might as well not even. So this is like the way more foreign than the Ireland box because we do not speak Swedish. They don't have grill marks on the actual chips though. So
they look like a Lay's.
I thought they were gonna have more. They're okay. They kind of taste slightly barbecuey, but not really. I don't know what they taste like.
They're really good. I'm really hungry.
My mom just laughed at me.
I would eat these.
I wouldn't. No, I don't like them. They weren't my favorite. They're not for me.
Got and Blondette Original.
I think we need to look at the card.
Oh.
Because it might give us some clues of what we're eating.
Got and Landant. Let's see. What is that one? Blandit. That one is not the same.
I got a black one.
Ew, that's probably black licorice.
Okay, give me a different
No,
one. I can't eat licorice. I just can't.
Okay, it's probably not. I'm just
I do not like licorice.
Okay, I'll do that one. Here, do the red one.
I hope the red one's not licorice.
Oh, it is black licorice.
It's not licorice, this one.
This one's licorice, it's terrible. Oh. It tastes like a foot.
These are not my favorite. I'd probably never eat these again, but the red one wasn't horrible.
Oh.
But just the fact that it was fraternizing with the licorice made me not want to ever eat them again.
Okay, I'm gonna try one of these ones. This looks like a little pineapple guy.
The fruity ones aren't
that's
bad.
Better.
I think my mom would eat the licorice. She's over there nodding.
Put animals on some of them.
Well, they're pretty, but I can't say that I would eat them.
So the next one we have is called Biller. Here, you can hold it up.
It almost looks like Blair, but not.
It says Biller Algren's accidentally created in 1953 during an attempt to produce marshmallows. These light and chewy candies are molded into the shape of little cars.
They are. This was an accidental food.
Oh, they're like Peeps.
They better not be Peeps. Peeps are gross.
Like
How do you eat Peeps? Throw them in the trash.
It doesn't really look like a car. It's like more like a race car.
It looks like a car in the thing.
I just ate mine. It's gone.
Stop focusing on me. There.
It's pretty good.
It's not terrible. It's weird.
They're kind of like bouncy, like they bounce off your teeth. Like, no, you can't chew me.
I think I would get used to those. They're kind of tingly.
Okay, let's do some chocolate. Grab the chocolate one.
Is this the chocolate one?
I think so. The Tarragona. Roasted hazelnuts are mixed with creamy milk chocolate for the perfect blend of crunch and sweetness. You put the whole thing in your mouth?
You didn't?
No.
Oh, good.
It's good. It's like milk chocolate.
It is good. I like the hazelnut. Can I have some tea? Culotta Kex Bar. A crispy wafer is covered in milk chocolate, giving it the perfect combination of sweet and crunch in every bite. This thing is handy, especially when your snacks are in another language.
You can just eat that.
It's good. It's just really melty.
You better even eat it. Oh. That's really good.
That's good. It reminds me of something. Light and soft nougat is combined with a layer of dark hazelnut nougat to create a decadent chocolatey snack. They must like hazelnut in Sweden because this is the second hazelnutty snack we've had.
Well, it might be, I'm not that grows there. Remember, it's not the warmest place. So the crops that they have and everything are different
That would
than
make
they
sense.
are over here. And if it was, you know, made years and years ago,
It's a melty nougat.
because when your grandfather came over
Oh,
here,
it's like
fudgy.
Nougat is
clay.
chewy.
It's mushy.
I'm gonna play with some chocolate Play-Doh.
It's really good though. Like, this is the best thing we've had.
I need a napkin.
But like, that was the best thing we've had.
I don't know what planet you're on.
It didn't taste like, it was like smooth. It had like hazelnut flavor, but there was no actual nuts in it, Mom.
Oh,
It was delightful.
Yeah.
It was creamy.
I actually like hazelnuts.
It was delightful. It was like super creamy. Just like a creamy chocolatey hazelnut. Marabou Oreo. Delicious Marabou chocolate filled with creamy chocolate and vanilla cream.
I'm gonna eat this whole thing. You get none.
Okay. I don't think it's gonna work out too well for this video. I might just take a bite of you.
Ah! Oh, these come in like little like
Maybe
pieces.
they are meant to be shared. That's good at least.
It's like crushed up Oreo. Reach my mouth.
It's good. I feel like I've had something like that here.
Where's all your chocolate on your hands going? In your mouth?
Just rubbing it off.
There you go, okay?
I'm not getting as much on my hands as you. We're gonna do these. They've got a monkey.
It's the jungle roll. The jungle roll.
Monkey food.
Monkey food. We have no idea why these salty licorice bites are popular, but they are a beloved Swedish snack. Try them for yourself.
I don't want a nasty monkey food.
I love liquid.
A salty one?
Oh, that would be even better.
Here, Amanda, have your dongle.
We both smelled it. What?
The salt's good. This is so bad.
Oh, I know what you mean.
It's so salty, like I felt like I was gonna die.
It hurts right here.
Take it out. That was probably the most disgusting food I've ever eaten in my life, and I've eaten snails. So let me just tell you that that was gross. Like, I've never had something where I felt like it was too salty.
Was
too salt. It was like powdered salt. Like, that was the weirdest thing. Swedish people must like licorice. I hate licorice.
The licorice is good.
My mom
When you get
enjoys
down
the
to
licorice.
Past the salt, the licorice is good.
The licorice is disgusting.
So we got this sour bjornar.
Is it gum?
I don't know.
If it's gum, we shouldn't have it to last.
Is it gum? No, it's just a more taffy snack.
Okay.
It's a
The bear is holding other bears in his hand.
It's featuring a grumpy green bear, grumpy, on the packaging. These sweet and sour bear-shaped gummies are sure to put a smile on, a smile on my face.
There's a pleasant red bear on the back and a grumpy green bear on the front.
See. So I guess you can decide if you want to be grumpy or happy. Well, if you're grumpy, you're not getting any snacks in my house.
Well, I guess it depends.
Yes, you are. You're getting the licorice with the salt.
The licorice was terrible. I don't want a green one. I want a red one.
You know what? You wanted to be the one that wanted the bottom bear.
It's a body bear. It's like a squished bear. It's not really a...
Yeah, he's not extremely well formed.
Bear.
But he's... Much better than the licorice. The green one's good. He's not really sour at all.
He's like, tastes like real fruit in there.
It just tastes like a fruity, chewy.
That's actually really good. I'd probably
Yeah, it just tastes like a fruit gummy.
I would eat those.
I would eat those too.
Those are
nice.
really good.
Yeah.
I like them. Okay. Here, you can hold that one.
Banana. I can
Banana
at least read them.
skids.
I can at least.
Banana skids.
At least it's English.
Banana skids.
It sounds
So you make...
Yuck. Banana and toffee flavored chew bar. Let's just open one.
Okay. Banana skids. You're gonna have banana skids today. I think I'll just take a bite off of this one. This is what happens when you try to take a piece of banana skids. This looks like a skid.
What is a skid? Like a palette? These are really good. Really good. Chewy but good. I'm gonna check and see what.
Dumbly Snacks Original.
Oh, Dummel Snacks. A delicious combination of foamed caramel mixed with crisp rice and then covered in milk chocolate. I feel like we tried something like this in the Irish box.
Well, everybody's gonna have their own take or rendition of that.
Yeah. Reminds me of a crunch. Here. Is that what they're called? Nestle Crunch?
Yeah, kinda. No, you know what this is gonna remind me of? This is gonna remind me of those, oh, what are they called? They're like the pies that you can get.
Star Crunch.
Star Crunch, is that what they are?
The Little Debbie thing.
Mm-hmm.
This one has a funny licorice aftertaste.
My God.
Wow. Do you feel like it does too?
Oh my God, I can't even do it.
It's not as bad as the other thing. Maybe the Swedish just love the licorice flavor. They put it in everything.
I just follow it.
It's not as bad. What's last?
Oh.
A dame. Originally known as djum. This snack features crunchy almond caramel covered with rich milk chocolate. I wish we would have got the drink.
What is the drink?
The drink, if we would have got it, was a refreshing blend of orange and apple. This drink was launched in the early 1950s and is popular throughout Sweden, and it has a balloon on it.
I should have just upgraded it.
I love a balloon.
And an elephant.
Well, we're upgrading next month.
I know.
I think the Japan one sometimes comes with a drink.
This is like a flat. There's nothing to it.
It's like a cracker.
It's a cracker.
A chocolate cracker.
Does it snap? It snaps.
This is a big piece.
Well, you can have that big piece. I'm gonna get myself a little tiny piece. See?
It's a crunchy one. This one's good.
On the package, it shows that it shatters. This is more my jam.
Justin would like that. It reminds me of a score bar. Okay.
It just reminds me of getting my tummy.
The gross monkey ones say, we have no idea why these salty licorice bites are popular, but they are a beloved Swedish snack. Try them for yourself and enjoy. Question mark. Enjoy question mark. Meaning like, you probably won't enjoy the monkey bites. No, so don't eat the monkey bites if you get them because they are the grossest thing that you will ever put in your mouth.
You will throw up.
It's so bad.
It's just not even.
So we've tried everything in the box, and Swedish food is different, but still good. So hopefully next time we get an even weirder country and no licorice. We'll see you guys later.
Bye.